Have you been struggling again and again and again and again to get your first ever payout? Have you been failing funded challenges and prop firm challenges? Well, today I'm going to be giving you the one secret that everyone keeps away from you. And if you know this one secret, you will pass straight away. Okay, I'm going to be giving you this secret right now. So let's just get straight into it. So the first thing is you need to only trade within the London kill zone, okay, which is from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. on a 5-minute time frame. You can see right here, I'm on a 5-minute time frame. I'm going to mark out my 7 a.m. from right there until 11. Okay, so this is going to be our time frame. We only enter positions within this time. Okay, so next, what we're going to be doing is liquidity. We need to mark out the highs and the lows of Asian session, then identify which part is actually mitigated, and then we aim to take the trade towards a reversal. All right, so I'm going to be showing you exactly what I mean by this. So with the trend line right here, I'm going to be marking out the highs. There's the highs of Asian session, and this is the most recent lows of Asian session. Okay, so now we need to find out which side actually gets mitigated first. So I'm just going to be playing price forward, and you can see the lows have completely just been swept right there. So now what we're going to be doing is aiming to take the trade towards the upside. Okay, so now we need to find a breakage of structure where the fractional highs slash lows have been swept, and then to reinforce our market structure shift, we need an engulfing candlestick if it's possible. Okay, so now all I'm going to be looking for is a market structure shift. So I'm going to be playing price forward. We need the engulfing candlestick with the market structure shift. Okay, you can see, you might say, oh, M-Strays, there's one right there. Okay, but it's not within our trading time. Okay, that's the only thing. It's not within our trading time, which means we're going to just skip along and find one within our trading time. So I'm going to play price forward till we find a bullish engulfing candlestick. Just keep playing price forward. And there we go. We just got a very, very big one right here. So now we're going to be looking to find our market structure shifts. Okay, so you can see we got one right there, right here. And that's all we need. Okay, so after we got this market structure shift, we know that price actually wants to reverse and wants to go towards the upside. So now what we need to do is identify a fair value gap, and it should overlap with the market structure shift for a higher probability, and we execute the trade off of that. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now is playing price forward, and we're going to be seeing if we can find a fair value gap. Okay, so you can see there's no fair value gaps here. Play price forward, and there we go. We got a very, very big fair value gap right here. You can see candle right here. There's a big gap. So I'm going to be just marking this one out. And what we're going to be doing is entering straight off of this right here with the long position. It would be right on the line. Placing our stop loss just below this fair value gap candle right here, and placing our take profit at a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Okay, even though it didn't overlap with the market structure shift, it's all right because, you know, we don't need the highest of probabilities to actually execute a trade. So it's a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. You can even aim for the highs of Asian session. That's why it's very, very important. You can see right here, that's the highs of Asian session. And now what we're going to be doing is just entering this trade, and it's going to be running all the way up to take profit. Okay, so now if I play price forward, you're going to see exactly how it runs. But just before that, if you're still failing prop firm challenges and you're still struggling, losing every single trade, failing prop firm challenge, just join my easy pass right now. Okay, you can see Ethan right here got a $900 payout from Funded Next. Okay, you can do the exact same, because Joe got $150, no matter how small, no matter how big. You can see right here we got a $500 one. You can see 3,000. Make sure you join right now, because I will actually take you all the way to the next level of trading, and I can pass any challenge. Okay, I will pass your challenge. I will actually manage your challenge for free completely after that, making 5% every single week, only taking a percentage for myself on the third payout. Okay, you can see how well this actual offer is. Make sure you join this straight away. It will be the first link in the description. Make sure you don't miss this out, because places are closing very, very soon, and you also have a full warranty. But anyway, let's get straight back into the trade. And if I play price forward, you can see how it's running back up all the way, and it's completely smash take profit. And this is exactly what we need to see from this, and this is exactly what I need to see from you. All right, I'm going to be showing you exactly how this trade is running up on a fundamental level. Okay, so you get the concept of it. So what you're going to be looking for, first of all, is for price to do whatever it wants. Let it do anything, up and high. Okay, there we go. But once it hits our trading time, which will be 7, let's say at this point right here, 7 o'clock, all we're going to be doing is actually marking out the highs and the lows of Asian session. Okay, so this is Asian session, that's the highs of it, and this is the lows of it. Okay, so what we're doing next is actually figuring out which side of Asian session is getting swept, if it's the highs or the lows. So let's say the lows just completely been swept. You can see right here, let's say the lows have been swept. This is a perfect sign that we need to actually take the trade towards the upside. So now what we're going to be doing is waiting for price to actually break its own structure. You can see right here, once it actually breaks its own structure, like right here, now all we're looking for is a fair value gap and a high probability fair value gap, because once we get that, we're going to be actually in a perfect position to absolutely smash this trade and completely make profits. Okay, so let's say we got a fair value gap right there. All we're going to be doing is placing a buy limit right here, placing our stop loss just below the fair value gap or below the FEG candle, and placing our take profit either at the highs of Asian session like we marked before, or a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. Okay, anywhere between these is all right usually. All right, so what we're going to be doing now, all we're going to be doing is entering the trade. So price will actually fluctuate in the trade, whatever, and it will actually bounce off our FEG, bounce again, and go all the way towards upside and completely smash take profit. And this is exactly what you want to see. And if you don't see this, that means you made a mistake and you didn't do anything right. And if you keep making mistakes every single time, that is the perfect opportunity for you to join the Forex family. Okay, it's the first and best trading group out there. You get free access to my signals straight away when you join for a whole month. Okay, if you join us now, it's only $49. The price will be changing very soon to $100, and it's going to be changing actually tomorrow. That's how soon it's going to be changing. You get lifetime access. You get so much educational materials. You get my profitable strategy, but not only one, you get 2 profitable strategies. Also, you get free signals. You get me checking every single person's analysis. So I will check yours also and tell you what you can do better. Also, you get live training with me and the team. Okay, don't miss out on this opportunity. Go on this link right now. It'll be the second link in the description. Watch the video. Make sure you join my group. And if you're not interested in the PropFam Challenge Pass, okay, but if you want to actually change your life as soon as you want, okay, make sure you join my Easy Pass right now. The next 5 people will get a massive discount. So make sure you join this, and I'll see you inside. But anyway, that's going to be the end of the video. Take care.